In this video, you guys can see we fixing a KitchenAid dishwasher. The drain has many problems and it's time to replace it. The problem was the drain hose. Before you guys do anything, protect the floors. You can see here I have this plastic from Amazon. Works pretty good. Put something, but make sure you guys protect the floors in case you drop something. You don't have to worry for repair floors. It can be really expensive. Make sure you guys remove the access panel, disconnect the wires, disconnect the water line, and it will come up gently. So just be gentle here. You can see here, it comes pretty easy. And of course, make sure you remove the screws first. All right, let's do the work. And here, we insert and push all the way inside the new drain hose. So you here, make sure you push all the way inside. And you can see here, I already have the new drain clamp. It's from the factory. Make sure you guys always use parts from the factory. Never use anything else. It's critical. Make sure you guys using the parts from the factory. Otherwise, it will leak water. After you move the clamp, make sure you guys put it between the two lines when they say factory clamp. It's hard to miss it. Oh, and don't forget to read the manual's instructions. They will give you too many tips how to do the job properly. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I will try to help you guys. Well, here I start to get ready for lifting the dishwasher. I move in everything, lift it carefully, and I check, make sure I don't miss anything. In this case, I already take a look, everything's fine. And I start to move in the dishwasher and push it gently inside the hole again. This is a big suggestion for you guys. When you guys push in the dishwasher, open and close the door. If something's not right, stop. Pull it up and push it back again. Take your time. I suggested to drill 2 inches hole for access, water, and drain. If you guys gonna do a high loop, make sure you guys using a clamp to hold in place. Otherwise, you will be washing dishes with dirty water. Check your local codes, it's critical. And double check for water leaks, make sure there's no leaks and everything works properly. Now we start to secure the dishwasher, make sure it's not gonna go anywhere. You can secure from the sides, top, or sides, or remove those clips, you can do that. And open the door and close, make sure everything's nice and level. Critical step, make sure it's level. You can adjust the legs, you can go up and down, and the left and the right, and make sure it's level. Triple check and make sure everything works properly. Thank you everybody for watching the video. If you guys have any comments or questions or suggestions, leave in the comments below. I will be happy to help you.